Hey, what's up guys? My name is Gene, I'm JAXTWIN, and on this channel we talk tech. In today's video, we're going to be taking a quick look at the iPhone 13 mini and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. We're just going to be taking a quick look as to how it has changed externally, but I'm so excited to be picking up the iPhone 13 mini and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, I did end up picking up the product Red Mini, which is a phone that I have been waiting to try. This is actually my second product Red Red iPhone. The first one is one of the old ones that I got way back. With my purchase of the mini, I also picked up the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue. This color itself is a very attractive color. It's a very different color than the blue. It's almost like it's got a very shimmering color to it. You do have to see it in person. It's kind of a deep color, which I love. Now, the previous versions were kind of a little bit more like red, but this one's kind of a subtle red, and I'm really digging it. But let's go ahead and stop talking and go ahead and unbox the video. Now, obviously you guys know that I like protection on my phones, so I did end up picking up the iPhone 13 mini blue silicone case and the iPhone 13 Pro Max silicone case in red. And let me see if I could focus that. Boom. And we got both of these guys here. So why don't we go ahead and open up the 13 first. You do get the iPhone 13 mini itself. Now, these phones do not come with a charging brick. Now, these phones are slated to have some improvements that they discussed at the presentation. I wish I had the 12 to really compare, because I only have my 12 Pro Max compared to the 13 Pro Max. But right out of the way, out of the box, this is what I'm saying. This phone itself, let me go ahead and put it up to the camera. Now, again, I really hope that the camera does it justice, but this is one of those colors that you really have to really see in person. Now, on the back, you do have the product Red sign there. You do have the Apple logo. You do have the new design, the new 13 design, where the cameras themselves have shifted a little bit. I actually can't wait to try out the camera features on both phones. I do understand that the 13 Pro Max is going to be the better experience, but again, it's definitely a phone that I want to carry around and want to really test my photography skills. Now, with the 13 Pro Max, on the other hand, the 13 Pro Max is I ended up picking up the 128 variant. Now, in both of phones, I ended up picking up 128 because I was still trying to consider which color I wanted to get. But let's go ahead and put this guy up to the camera. So this is how it looks. Really interesting color. Now, the Sierra Blue is definitely a calming color. It's definitely less punchier than my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, my iPhone 12 Pro Max has a very hard, I would call it a hard blue, but it does have a different level of blue in my eyes. Now, right away, one of the things that I did notice was the difference in terms of the shape of the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring these two up to the camera right here. Let's see if I can block my eyes. So right away, you notice that there is a very big difference in color. I hope the camera does do it justice. And the other thing that I have noticed is the notch itself is certainly different. Now, to the untrained eye, I mean, you guys all have great trained eyes, so I'm not going to say that. But to the normal eyes, you do see the slight difference in terms of the notch. On the left side of the phone, not much has changed. It does look like the SIM card tray has been moved slightly up. Down below here, we do have the lightning charger port, and the grill doesn't seem that is changed at all. And on the right side of the phone, still the same setup here. Now, again, on the back, this is where you'll probably see the difference more so than anything else. The camera size, or the camera on the 13 is noticeably larger. Not by much, but it's enough where you will definitely see it. And that's pretty much the video, guys. So I'm very excited to be trying out both iPhones. I am literally loving this Sierra Blue. It's a pleasing color. It's a kind of a quiet color. It's either you're gonna like it or you're not gonna like it. I always try to at least test out some of the new colors to really see how I like it. Now, obviously, the 13 mini was a phone that I tried, albeit I didn't get a chance to try all of the, I didn't have a chance to use this phone as long as I would have, because I just needed a bigger phone because of bigger battery. So I'm very excited to be trying this first and giving my giving my giving my ideas and my thoughts about it. So and I also want to give a big shout outs to Team iPhone Mini. Apparently this is the thing, there's actual iPhone Mini like groups out there, so just wanted to give a big shout out to you guys. I'm definitely going to give this a real world test, a real day in the life to see how it is, but definitely cannot wait to try this iPhone. But again, that is the video, guys. Just want to take a moment to thank all my new subscribers. Again, if you are new to my channel, my name is Gene, I'm JAXTWIN, and on this channel we talk tech. Please definitely check out my other videos and definitely leave me some comments down below as to some of the questions that you might have about this phone. Actually, one question that I did ask the Apple rep about this phone that I'm pretty sure I'll get a lot, I'm pretty sure you guys might find out or might ask, is will the case from the 12 mini and the 13 Pro Max fit on, I'm sorry, the 12 Pro Max fit on the 13 Pro Max, and 13 mini, 12 mini fit for the 13? Yes, and the question is yes, it will fit, but it will be a little snug. So I am just going to tell you, get a case for your 13 mini, get the right case for it. But again, that's the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please leave your comments down below, and as always, until my next video, peace.